So I recently learned that I was recognized as one of the women of influence in engineering by the San Diego Business Journal. I accept this recognition because I think it's important to demonstrate that someone who has my identities, someone who defines their engineering in the way that I define my engineering, that is legitimate. And I think what these awards or recognitions do is it helps to legitimize the things that sometimes are not seen as the dominant ways of doing things. It's not the dominant face of engineering. It's not the dominant endeavors or practices in terms of how engineering is applied. And so I think what this recognition does is to help bring legitimacy to that pursuit. I want others to know that this is a space that they can also occupy and legitimize themselves and define their practice of engineering as well. To the many whose identities are not well represented at the table in the engineering profession, you are needed. Your perspectives, your experiences, your assets are needed in order for us to truly be able to create just, eco-friendly, socio-friendly, sustainable solutions that really address the needs of all. You need to be at the table. You need to be here. You need to be here taking up space. You need to be here bringing your brilliance, bringing your potential, bringing your passion. And there's a network of people like myself who are dedicating their life's work to ensure that you know that you are needed and you know that there is space for you in this profession.